Hey everyone! Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important processes on Earth, photosynthesis. It's how plants make their own food, and it's also the reason we have oxygen to breathe. Without photosynthesis, life as we know it wouldn't exist. So, what exactly is photosynthesis? It's a process that happens in plants, algae, and some bacteria. They take sunlight, carbon dioxide from the air, and water from the soil, and turn all of that into glucose, which is a type of sugar, and oxygen, which they release into the air. The basic formula looks like this. Carbon dioxide plus water plus sunlight equals glucose and oxygen. This all happens inside tiny parts of plant cells called chloroplasts. Inside the chloroplasts is a green pigment called chlorophyll. That's what makes plants green. Chlorophyll captures the sunlight and starts the process. When the sunlight hits the chlorophyll, the plant uses that energy to split water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. The plant keeps the hydrogen and combines it with carbon dioxide to make glucose, which is food for the plant. The leftover oxygen, that gets released into the air for us to breathe. So, why is photosynthesis so important? Well, first, it's how plants grow, which feeds everything else in the food chain. Animals eat plants, or eat animals that eat plants. And that's how energy moves through the ecosystem. Second, photosynthesis produces the oxygen we need to survive. Every breath you take is thanks to plants doing their job. And third, it helps control carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere, which affects the Earth's climate. In short, photosynthesis is like Earth's life engine. It keeps ecosystems running, fills the air with oxygen, and provides the food chain with energy. So next time you see a plant, remember, it's not just standing there. It's busy capturing sunlight and making life possible for all of us. Thanks for listening, and keep being curious.